What's up guys, and welcome back again here on our channel, Journey with June and Red. Today's Saturday, October the 30th. So if you could see this two, they are our two latest baby budgies. That's the yellow one. The yellow one is male, and the other baby one, blue, it's male also. So we now have 6 budgies, 2 males, no, 2 females and 4 males. Wow, look at them. That yellow one, that's the with the defected leg. You know what guys, even though he has a defective leg, he can still climb up. Look at his leg. Look at this leg. Hi, Red. Up. My little Red just woke up. Oh, you are very sweet. You're very sweet. Oh, share. Chucky, quiet. So look at them. Wow, they stick together. You're very sweet. Look at them, guys. So you're sitting there very still. You finished it already? Huh? You've eaten already. Look at them. Oh, they're very serious. They're cleaning themselves. The other budgies are inside here. He's sleeping. Oh. Quiet, guys. The other budgie is sleeping. Oh, you're awake.